Hello, Dare here. So I'm giving the demo for P2, which is the second project that we have in class. It's an application that generates the xkcd password. So it's the xkcd password generator. And a little bit about the technology used. So it's PHP and for server side, and there's an API call to kind of get the data that we used as passwords. So there's an external call, and that gets put into session. That way, the user doesn't see any lag, and we don't have to make the round trip each time that the generate password button is clicked. So I'll just go ahead and give a demo of the application itself. So we have the drop down that kind of gives you the number of words that you can have. So that's 1 through 9. We have a separator by default. There's no value in it, but you can pretty much have any special character in there. You can have a percent. You can anything that you want to use as a separator. And there's also validation there. So if you were to put a one or alphabet or digits in there, you will get an error. Um, and we have the max length, so that kind of gives us the length of the password itself, and that includes any of the options. If you were to say add number to the end or add symbol, that will be included in the length of 20 as well. So I'll just go ahead and kind of give a demo of it. So I'll pick number of words is 2. I'm gonna leave this blank so there's no value in it. And we can say add a number to the end. We're not picking any of the other options. We say generate password, and that's what we get. And then if I add an hyphen to that, we say generate password, we start to kind of see that, and that's the 2, which is the number that was added. So we can say add a symbol instead of a number. Everything else stays, and then that's the symbol there. We can kind of keep going, and you can see the symbol at the end. We can say add a symbol and a number. So we have that. That's the number and the symbol. Um, you know, that's those 2. So we can pretty much just keep going there. We can increase the length, the max length. That way we get a more stronger password. Um, and we can go to 4 number of words. We still have our max length as 30. So we should start to see longer passwords. If we say 20 again, we should start to see shorter passwords again. Um, we can say we want all uppercase. Give me, I don't know, keep it at 30 so it doesn't get too long. Let's just get the numbers, and that's what we get now. So we can keep trying that, and that should be under 30. We can say all lowercase. Let's make that 20. Let's make this 5, and then we start to get that. Um, can say 30. Number of words is 5, all lowercase, and that's what we get. We remove the number. We change the separator to be ampersands, and we get that. Um, let's change this again to at sign. We get that as well. So if you were to, for the validation, which is the server side, if we were to change this to like a 2, um, you know, and you say generate password, you will get that error. Valid separator is required. Um, and we kind of talk about what's valid. They are special characters only. So that's what you will get. If you put a or let's put a V there, we get the error again. So you have to either not put any value in it, or you just put anything that's valid in there. So we can put a star, and that should work. Um, so yeah, that's the demo of the password generator. We still have the about page as well. That's the link to the GitHub page where the project is hosted. Um, and that should open a new tab. I'm gonna upload the YouTube video after this, and the logo takes you back to the home page. And that's it. We have the footer at the bottom. So that's it. And so it was pretty fun working on actually with the PHP and the technologies to be used, and kind of like just having to think about the project itself. So really had a lot of fun working on this. And thank you for listening. Have a good night. Bye.